yeah, there's homeless guys, so. Alright, y'all, so currently it is 9 o'clock at night, and it is April 9th. In a couple hours from now, I'm going to be getting up at 1 o'clock in the morning and going to the damn airport, because I get to go to Las Vegas. I guess that's great. Currently got my bag packed right over here, and you're probably wondering, where's Mr. T at? Oh my god, where's Timber? My life companion right there. Oh my god, my baby is gone. I'm literally so sad inside. And just roll the clip from the other day. Got Team Money in the car. Got Skittles in the car. Where's Skittles at? Here. She's in here. Being herself. Get here. Come here. She's somewhere. I got her. There she is. There's Skittles in the car. We got Team Money in the car. We got Mom in the car. We got Team Money in the car. He has a bald spot. Ivy, what do you have to say to the vlog? Hi. Hi. It's great. What do you have to say, Mom?
Oh, T, pay attention to T. You love me. You love me.
Team Money in the car with the driver's seat.
You love me.
So yeah, basically, Mr. T, he is gone. So is Skittles, because we just need someone to watch our hamsters while we are gone. Sorry, my heat is like kicking on right now, but right now they are being watched, babysit by my sister's friend Mateo. He is like our homie now, I guess. And I'll see you at 1 o'clock in the fucking morning. Alright guys, so we're at the airport right now. That's Ivy. Mom. There's my mom. And my dad. He's like, yeah.
When can I see my hamsters?
I don't know. I miss T.
I miss the school.
Ivy, what are we doing now?
Waiting.
We're currently waiting on the airplane to lift off. Hey, what's up everybody? So like, it's the next day. Here's Ivy. Yesterday my phone died and I couldn't film anything. But I'm here in my hotel room. We're staying at the Luxor. I'll give you a little tour. So like, we got this bed right here. We got our bed. Here's the view. I'll show you that. We got TV, and we got me. Yo, we have a desk, cute mirror. You know, cute. This is the fit. This is our fucking view or whatever. We got chairs. Yeah, and this is the pool. We're going down there later today. We're at an Irish pub right now. Caesar's Ivy. So, what'd you get to drink?
Pepsi.
I got apple juice. I got waffles and apple juice. Alright, y'all. So, that was breakfast. My sister and I are waiting to go to the esports arena. She's just like getting ready or whatever. And, yeah. Just came back from the pool. I just tried to tan. Yeah, I have to show you this hoodie. Oh my god, like, this is cute. Like, this is the fit check. You know, don't have shoes on. If you saw my toes, you didn't. So, you know, I just have a ponytail. Bathroom. Oh, there she is. Doesn't she look Vegas ready? Oh my god. We're gonna go down to the gaming thingy now at the Luxor, so. Right, so now we're on our way to like the little gaming thing. My mom changed up the fit, you know, crop top vibes. And then she's just wearing yellow shorts with this. I don't know, it doesn't even match. But how do you rate the fit right now? What do you think?
I don't care.
You don't think? We rate your fit 10 out of 10 because you're wearing that.
An 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. I would rate mine a 4 out of 10 because this is just hideous and yeah. We are currently at dinner. I don't know what she's doing. They look really happy. Alright, so like we just ate at dinner. Here's Ivy.
So, there's the Bellagio.
That's cool. We're going into Caesar's Palace now. So like, this is where we are. Yeah. And then like, we got all this over here. We're about to like, yeah, there's homeless guys, so. Guys, we're near Gordon Ramsay's right now, over here.
Oh, the fucking book is wrong. Get the fuck out of my kitchen.
Fucking shit!
Yeah, it's cold.
Touch it! It's not even pink, it's raw!
And Coop has delivered undercooked salmon.
Alright, y'all, so like, we are currently on day 3. This ends the rest of this video. So, we're currently in the Park MGM. We're not staying at the Luxor anymore. We just checked out today. Yeah. So, subscribe for more. And if you like this video, leave a like. Comment dollar bills if you made it all the way to the end here. Like the emoji dollar bills right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you next time. Bye.